I'm going to replace the batteries on the DSC Alexor wireless keypad. If you'll take notice on the bottom of the keypad, some of them have screws in them. If they do, just go ahead and remove those screws. And this keypad here, you just push on the bottom and the bracket just snaps off there. Just remove the bracket. And you'll see that you got the batteries in the back of the keypad there. Just take them out. And go ahead and place your new batteries back in. Once your keypad batteries are back in, you'll put the keypad back on the wall or mount back on the back of the keypad, and it snaps into place just like that. We've just replaced the batteries on the DSC Alexor Keypad.